Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta. And today we will understand how to run predictive model markup language using Naïve and KNIME. So Naïve is a popular machine learning algorithm used for classification tasks. It is based on Bayes' theorem and makes an assumption that the features used for classification are conditionally independent, which means that the presence or absence of one feature does not affect the presence or absence of any other feature. In practice, Naïve is commonly used for text classification, spam detection, and other similar tasks where the assumption of conditional independence of features may hold reasonably well. This assumption also allows the algorithm to be computationally efficient and works well on large data set. Now, what is PMML? It is a predictive model markup language. It provides a way for analytic applications to describe and exchange predictive models produced by data mining and machine learning algorithms. Now, how we can use this? Let's see in Naïve. So first of all, I will activate the input output CSV reader from here. I'll browse the dataset, which is in CSV format. I'll connect Heart1, click OK, right click on it and execute. Again, right click on it and you can see the variables which are there in this dataset: age, gender, chest pain type, resting blood pressure, cholesterol, fasting blood sugar, resting ECG, maximum hours of exercise, exercise angina, old pig, ST slope, and heart disease. We want to classify the heart disease on the basis of age, resting blood pressure, cholesterol, and maximum hours of exercise. I'll activate the column filter from here so that I can select the variables which are matter of our interest. Right click on it and configure. I'll only include age, resting blood pressure, cholesterol, maximum hours of exercise, and heart disease. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Now I will activate new bias learner from here. Right click on it, configure. Make sure heart disease is on, click OK, right click on it and execute. New bias learner does not form an equation like linear regression analysis or logistic regression. Now I'll activate the predictor. I'll disconnect this from here and I'll connect this with the new bias predictor, configure, click OK, right click on it and execute. Again, right click on it and we can see the classified data which is there. So this is a prediction according to the algorithm and this is the original data. Now I want to save this model. So how can I save this model? I'll activate the PMML writer. Double click on it. Right click on it, configure. We have to specify the location where we want to save this model. So I'll give the name of the model as new base. Save. Click OK. Execute. Now let me open the new workflow. I will activate the CSV file. So this time we'll connect the new data set. Double click on it, browse. I'll connect Heart1 test, complete new data set, click OK. Right click on it and execute. Now activate the PMML reader so that I can activate the model which I have saved in D drive. Configure, browse, D drive. So new bias model will be able to connect here. Click OK, right click on it and execute. Now activate the predictor, the new bias predictor. So this predictor will get its learning from PMML reader and it will get its dataset from CSV reader. Right click, configure, click OK. Right click on it and execute. Again, right click on it and you can see the classified data. So this is the prediction done according to the algorithm and this is the original data set. Let's see how well our model performs. So I'll activate the scorer here. Right click, configure, activate the original hard disease and prediction hard disease, click OK. Right click on it and execute. Again, right click on it and you can see the confusion matrix. So 6 cases are such in which the person does not have a heart disease and the algorithm was able to classify it correctly. One such case is there in which the person had a heart disease and the algorithm also classified correctly. 2 plus 1. A person did not had heart disease, but the algorithm predicted the person had the heart disease. Sorry, the person had the heart disease and the algorithm predicted no. And in this case, the person did not have a heart disease and the algorithm predicted yes. So 2 plus 1, 3 are wrongly classified cases. So this is the way you can use PMML language in KNIME. For more videos on KNIME, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos on KNIME.